Hey, this is Charles Raven. Thanks for checking out 5 top ways to promote MAP for big profits. I'm going to provide you with some of my insights on this MAP Syndicate series where I'll talk about how to get traffic to MAP. And here's one of the things that you should know. If you're just getting started, MAP is an ecosystem. It's not just an affiliate link you get. It's a unique approach, and you'll be given training, tools, and even traffic if you're a platinum member to help you establish revenue streams. And this will allow you to build multiple streams of income and earn passive income. So let's go ahead and dive into these traffic promotional strategies. So the first one is content marketing. This is the one that I've been using for many, many years. It's a proven strategy where you share your knowledge about affiliate marketing and how MAP can help. Create helpful articles or videos about affiliate marketing challenges, and show how MAP provides solutions to these challenges, driving traffic to your affiliate link. So just like this video, you're watching this video and it's a form of content marketing. And it's one of my favorite ways to get traffic to my affiliate offers. Hosting webinars to showcase MAP. You could host free online webinars to demonstrate MAP's features, explain how MAP simplifies affiliate marketing, highlighting benefits like lifetime commissions and training. This interactive approach allows you to connect with potential members and build trust. There are a wide array of platforms to be able to do this. Nowadays, you could see events on a lot of the social media channels, even Facebook. So that is one way to do it. Email marketing for MAP promotion. You can build an email list and create a series of emails that educate subscribers about affiliate marketing. Gradually introduce MAP as a solution to common affiliate marketing problems. Include clear call to action with your MAP affiliate link in each email. If MAP is your affiliate offer of choice, if that is your primary one, that is something you could do. Others, including myself, I typically will rotate through offers. So keep that in mind. You can go ahead and use email marketing. And of course, email marketing is fueled by people that read your emails. So you have to make sure that you get traffic to your email list as well. So comparing MAP to other programs, this is another way of creating content. It's a specific way where you create charts or articles that highlight MAP's advantages over other affiliate programs. Focus on unique features like lifetime commissions and free traffic for platinum members. This helps potential members make informed decisions. And this is something that you could see from even software sites. You could see whether it's G2 or even Zapier, you'll see them comparing themselves to other systems, and you could do the same thing with MAP. And the reason why I'm pointing this out instead of just saying general content marketing is that some companies just focus on this and nothing else, and they've been able to make millions in the software niche. And so you could apply this to MAP. Partnering with other marketers. This is where you collaborate with other marketers like joint ventures, offer them a commission through MAP's second tier structure. This creates a win-win situation, expanding your reach and helping you scale your success. So you see here a lot of these strategies, they utilize other people. If you are totally shy and want to create like let's say a faceless channel, whatever, the content strategy approach is really great. But if you're cool with connecting with others, even through direct messages on social media or even emails, then this is an awesome approach. Building your financial future with MAP, this whole ecosystem, I think it's one of the awesome places to go if you want to learn about affiliate marketing or even how to make money online. There are just so many resources, even as a free member. I think that they've done a great job providing these freebies to people that are just getting started. I think it provides a lot of great knowledge. And then it's your choice if you decide to upgrade or not. Especially if you want to get more commissions through this ecosystem, it's something that you can do. And by implementing these promotional strategies I mentioned, I totally believe that it can help you reach financial freedom. And I think that the next step is, of course, if you are not a MAP member, you got to learn how to promote it. And the first step is getting this PDF that I provided. It's something that I created several months ago, but you could use it to learn all about MAP. And then you can learn also about the bonuses that I provide as well. So all you have to do is click on the link in my description if you're watching this from YouTube, and if you're seeing this from an article, I'll provide you with a link near the video as well. Thanks for watching this video on the 5 ways to promote MAP. There are many, many other strategies that Master Affiliate Profits teaches, but I'm just giving you 5 of the top ways that I think can make a big difference in your life. That's all for today. Take care.